if you're like me and your lashes are straight, they're boring, they point down, and they won't curl for anything, stick around, you are going to love this video. Hey babies, welcome to Kimberly Worldwide and to another video. I'm Kim, I'm your host. I'm gonna talk you through this video. I'll try not to talk too much and get straight to the point. But today's video, we're gonna determine whether it's better to use a heated eyelash curler or a non-heated eyelash curler. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I often do videos about how to make your lashes look fabulous. So I like to keep it budget friendly and super simple. And I think the hardest thing I did when it comes to lashes is my lash lift video. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out after this video. You guys seem to love that video, so thank you. Sometimes you just need something for every day. In the morning when you're in a rush, you just want to curl your lashes and go, knowing that your lashes are gonna keep that curl all day long. So I'm crossing my fingers that this is gonna really be amazing. Okay, so let's find out. We're gonna be using the heated eyelash curler on this eye. This one, I will link it below if you want to check it out for yourself. I got it off Amazon and it has two heat settings, a medium and a high heat. I already started heating mine up to the highest heat setting because we're extra. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, it takes about 30 seconds to heat up, so you can do your own research. I'll put the link below for you to check out. And on this eye, I'm using this manual lash curler from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Pretty basic. And if I can find the link, I will put it below for you guys also. So, here we go. For the record, I'm not wearing any eye makeup. There's nothing on my eyelashes. Let's take a look at my before of my lashes. You can see how my lashes just point straight down. I'm gonna start with this eye with the heated lash curler. It's not rocket science, so we're just gonna go right in. So it's set to hold it in place for 3 to 5 seconds. And of course, because we're extra, we're holding it there longer. And because my lashes need all the help they can get. Okay. And on this eye, I'm gonna use this curler. So here we go. I'm a lot more comfortable using this because this is what I use on a daily basis. I'm pretty new to the whole heated curler thing. But we want to see if the curl lasts, so that's what it's all about. Here we have the heated curl. And here we have the non-heated curl. This one looks a lot curlier than this one, but this is more of a straight going upward curl, not like really a C curl. I have no problem with that. And this is more like a loose, wavy kind of curl. So I'm gonna apply my mascara now. I'm using the Rare Beauty mascara from Selena Gomez. This is my go-to mascara right now, but I'm just gonna apply a very thin layer because I'm going to the gym and I don't wanna look like I'm there in a full face of makeup. And after the gym, you know, a couple of hours later, I'll come back to report on how the curl is holding, if at all. We'll compare the differences. Okay, so let me put on a light coat of mascara. And if you like this mascara, I will link it below too. It's my go-to right now. A quick recap. This is the front. We got the Okay, so that was it. I am running to the gym, gonna get a workout in, go about my day, and then I will be back with my final thoughts on these and which one is better, and we will find out. See you soon. Okay, guys, so it is time for our final comparison. It's the end of the day. I went to the gym, had a great workout. I'd say it's about like 5 hours later now from when I was doing the whole thing. And yeah, first impression, if I look into the mirror straight on, I do notice that these lashes are a little more up and these are starting to like point downward to where they were before I did the whole process. Take a side look here. They're still a little bit pointing upward. I like that. I hope you guys can see it. And then let's look at this side. This definitely is starting to point down more. My final review for the curlers. Would I recommend the heated lash curler? Absolutely, because simply the results lasted longer. It looks a lot more up than this one. This one's starting to point down. And yeah, just for that, I would recommend this one. I'm gonna link it below if you want to check it out for yourself and get it. It's absolutely worth it. I think I'm gonna be switching over from this to this moving forward, just because, it's really nice that the curl lasts longer before it goes back to being a saddle pointing downward lash situation. I'd say the only negative thing about this is that you have to charge it. It's like a cell phone. You just plug it in and USB it into the USB port and then it charges. I'd say that's the only negative thing. Because sometimes you don't have the patience to wait for it to like heat up and all that. But it charges quickly, and other than that, I have no complaints. This is always, I'm not gonna complain about this because this is like classic, easy to use, easy peasy. But result-wise, I would go with this one over this one any day. So that was the end of my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, this is the point where you subscribe to the channel and become my BFF. Yes, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. I will see you again in my next video next week, and yeah, I will see you then.